Hello Tasteful Explorers, it's Ebi-kun from Taste Tests Ebi-kun Eats, and I try foods from all around the world. And today I'm trying broccoli florets from Eluska.
Where did these come from?
America?
Mm.
Yeah. So it sounds like you have to eat it with milk. So I think it's just dried broccoli. That smells broccoli.
Is that even a word?
It is now. So, do you dunk it in, do you think?
I don't know. Try different ways. See which is best.
The stock tastes better.
How about trying it just plain, without the milk?
Better with the milk. Healthy and tasty.
I think that's a good snack for kids to have.
Yeah. 8.5. So, thank you Eluska for this broccoli, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe to my channel and taste something new, you'll be a Taste Explorer too. See you next video. Goodbye.